1 over 4 to the power of x minus 2 equals 8 to the power of 1 minus x. So what's the value of x? So solution. So what I'm going to do, you know that when you have 1 over a, 1 over a is same thing as a to the power of minus 1. So that is from the law of indices. So therefore, this 1 over 4 can be 4 to the power of minus 1 using this one, using this rule, to the power of x take away 2, then equal to, looking at this 8 is same thing as 2 to the power of 3. All right, so we try to rewrite this 8 2 to the power of 3, then to the power of 1 minus what? 1 minus x. Understood? So now the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to have 4 to the power of this minus 1. We use this minus to open the bracket to multiply this. So we're going to have minus 1 times minus 2. We're going to have 2, and minus 1 times this we have minus x. Okay, then equal to 2 to the power of 3 times 1, we have 3. 3 times this we have minus what? Minus 3x. Understood? So from here, another thing we are going to do, we have 4 here. This 4 can also be 2 to the power of 2. Okay, then to the power of 2 minus x, then equal to 2 to the power of 3 minus 3x. Understood? So from here, these two will now multiply this. We have 2. 2 times 2 we have 4. 2 times this we have minus what? Minus 2x, then equal to 2, then 3 take away 3x. Are you following? So from there, since we are now having the same basis, so what you need to do, so we're going to have 4, we equate the powers, minus 2x equals 3 minus 3x. So now how do we do? Transpose this to this side, okay, and this to this side. From there, we're going to have what? We're going to have minus 2x plus 3x, then equal to 3 minus 4. Transpose this to this side. So from there, we have minus 2x plus this, we have what? We have x be equal to minus what? Minus 1. So that is telling that x equals minus 1 is the solution to the problem. Now, let's say we now want to know whether what we have is right or not. So we are just going to put this one inside. So anywhere we see x, replace it by minus 1 from the what? From the equation. So we have 1 over 4 to the power of minus 1 minus 2 equal to 8 minus what? Minus 1. Understood? So we're going to have 1 over 4 to the power of minus 3 be equals to 8 to the power of 1 plus this plus 1. Understand? So from there, we're going to have what? We're going to have 4 over 1. Then this negative sign we change. You have 8 to the power of 1 plus 1, we have 2. So 4 over 1 is same thing as 4. We have 4 to the power of 3 equal to 8 to the power of 2. So now 4 to the power of 3 is same thing as what? Same thing as 64. We have 64. Okay. 4 raised by 3 is same thing as 64. And 8 raised by 2 is same thing as 64. You can see that the two sides are the same. So which shows that the value we got, x is equals to what? Minus 1, is the valid solution to the problem. So if you find this very interesting, kindly share to your colleagues so they can learn better. Bye-bye.